In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys step by step on how you can start buying from Alibaba for personal use. Now, a lot of people who are using Alibaba are dropshippers. Now, they are like sending the products from Alibaba to the Amazon warehouse in United States. So that's exactly why people use Alibaba. But a lot of people want to buy from Alibaba, but they don't want to buy a large quantity. They just wanna buy one piece or two pieces. Now, you can do that. Like Alibaba can allows you to buy any amount of products you want. Okay, you can buy one product, you can buy two products. By following these simple steps, like some settings that I'm about to show you, you can start buying from Alibaba for personal use. Okay, now the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to create an account on Alibaba if you haven't done that already. Now, as you can see, I have like 5 products in cart, and yeah, these products can be shipped to my house without any problem. Now let me explain to you guys how this whole thing works. Now the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to search for what you want to buy. So for example, I would say I want to buy, for example, phone. Now after you search, guys, for what you want to buy, you want to click on ready to ship. Okay, the reason why you have to click on ready to ship, but if you don't select that, then Alibaba will show you products that are not ready to ship, and you will have to contact the supplier. You have to ask the supplier for the shipping and everything else, like something like that, like shipping and how the estimated delivery time. That's exactly why you need to click on ready to ship. Now after you select, guys, ready to ship, then Alibaba will show you products that are ready to ship, and you can buy these products. You can buy one piece. Now after you select ready to ship, you want to scroll down and make sure you select products that has like one piece minimum order amount. Now you can buy one piece, but this one in the top, it says here 100 pieces. Now the minimum is 100 pieces. So you just want to search for products that have one piece. So for example, this one, it has one piece. Click on it. And after that, guys, you want to select which color you want. There are blue, black, pink. It depends on your product that you want to buy. Click this plus so that you can select which color, and then you can start. You can click start order. But if you don't check this, okay, if you don't check ready to ship, you won't be able to see start order, because you will only see their contact supplier. That's why I told you guys to check that. Now if you click on if you don't see her order start order, you will have to contact supplier, and then you have to ask him the estimated delivery time and stuff like that. You don't want to go all through this. Okay, you just want to check the ready to ship, and then you can start seeing start order on any product. Okay, you want to click on start order, and after you click, guys, on start order, you will have to enter your address so that the supplier will ship the product to you. So as you can see, this is my address, United States, Los Angeles, California, and yeah, that's it. After you click here add address, and you will have to enter your address and the phone number. And yeah, after that, you will have to enter here the credit card. You want to scroll down and enter your credit card. I'm going to do that right now. So this is my credit card. Let me check. Yes, the VCC is 530. Now after, guys, you enter your credit card, what you need to do, guys, next is you want to click on pay now, and that's it. Now if you have here PayPal method, you can select it, but a lot of suppliers, they don't support PayPal. So if you can see here PayPal, check it, and then you can just pay using PayPal if you want. But there is nothing to worry about, guys. Alibaba is very safe. It's the biggest e-commerce website in the world. Okay, you want to click on pay now, and then the order will be shipped to you, guys, within 2 days. And by the way, after 2 days, you will receive an email or you can just go to your to your account, and then you can click on orders. Okay, now after, guys, you click on orders, you will be able to check the tracking number. Okay, now after 2 days, the product will be shipped. And here, if you click on my Alibaba, you want to click on orders, and you will find here the products that you have purchased. Immediately after you purchase an item, you will find it here. And you can just, if you want, you can contact the supplier. You can ask him about the shipping time, stuff like that. But after 2 days, you will be able to find here the tracking number. You want to copy the tracking number and go to 70 track. Okay, and then you want to paste that tracking number here. Okay, you want to paste it here, Let me do that right now. And then you can start tracking your order. Okay, as you can see, I have purchased an item. And as you can see, it's still in the customs, and that's it. You want to then track your order here and until it arrives in your country. So if this video guys helped you, please drop a like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys next video.